Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video you will be seeing how I made this top, which is so apt for Holi. This is so colorful, this is so pretty, it looks so pretty, and it is just under rupees 200. If you wanna know how I made this top, then keep on watching. For this you will need different types of pom-pom laces, scissor, needle and a thread, colored stones and a fabric glue. So firstly I'm marking the line where I need to cut the front part of the top. I wanted my top to be shorter in the front and longer at the back. So for the back I made an eye kind of shape with respect to the front part to make it look even more in sync with respect to the front part. So for the neck I marked how much deep I want, and then according to that I am making a V shape. So now I am giving the neck a V shape in front part of the top. I'm making the back as a round neck. Here I am making hands a little bit more shorter, and I'll do the same in another hand. Now I am taking these cute little different colored pom-pom and I will be sticking it into the top using the fabric glue, and after that I will be sewing it. So for the neck I have taken this different colored lace and I will be sticking it around the neck. Neck is done. Now for the hands, I am taking this middle-sized pom-pom lace and I will be sticking it around both the hands. Now I'm sewing the laces into the place so that it don't budge. I'm taking these cutouts from the pom-pom lace and I'm sticking it into the neck. For middle of the top, I am taking one heart shape and outlining it, and then again I will be pasting the colored stones on the outline of the heart. I am applying the fabric glue on top of the line and then I'll be pasting the colored stones. So this is the final result. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more of such videos. Please comment down below your views and suggestions. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.